Hello everyone, I'm here again for another Android tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to create a full screen dialog. So let's get started. So I'm here. I have now set up the layout that we will be going to use. Okay, as you can see, looks like this. So we will remove this later when we style the full screen. So I will add the codes for this in the description box below. So in the activity main, I have only a button, and when we click this, the full screen dialog will appear. I have an ID of button, and the main activity, it is empty. It's just a on create method. So let's create a class called full screen dialog, and its extend and super class is DialogFragment. Okay, so after that, let's go to styles.xml and let's add style for our full screen dialog and name it full screen dialog theme. And with the parent of dialog when large here. Inside this, let's add a status bar color. And then window no title, set it to true. Add the animation for our full screen, so that when we open or close the full screen dialog, it show us an animation. Okay, so go back to full screen dialog. Let's create a instance method. Return a full screen dialog. New full screen dialog. Okay, what? And next, override the onCreate method below the super.onCreate. Let's add a style for our full screen dialog. DialogFragment that style normal, and then pass the style that we created in the styles.xml here. Just copy it. Okay, next thing that we will be going to do is override the onCreate view. here, let's inflate the views. Inflate R, and pass the resource layout here. Pass this layout to the inflate method. And then container false, return view. So okay, in the main, back to the main activity, let's find the view, the ID of the button. And let's add the click listener. Inside the onClick listener, inside the onClick method, let's add some codes, dialog and Fullscreen Dialog dot instance, new instance, and show get support fragment manager and the tag. Okay, I think we're done here. Let's check if it is working. Now our app is ready. Let's click it. Okay, it's working. But what if we want to pass the values to our main activity? So let's try to do it. Okay. Here in the Fullscreen Dialog class, let's implement a view on click listen. And then, wait, I forgot something here. Let's find the view of the close and action button. It's up to you if you want to customize this inside the onClick view. Just find their ID inside the onClick view. So let's do it. The image button, close view that find view by and then close, Fullscreen Dialog close, text view action, find view and the action, then set the view with on click listener. So here, get the ID and set a condition. Copy paste this, and here if we click this, we want to close the dialog, so let's add the dismiss here. Another ID, action, and set a break. And when we click the action, let's just add a toast that it is working. So let's add a callback. On action click, let's just pass a string, whatever, and let's just pass a name, and here just copy this private callback, then on action click, pass a name. So let's try whatever. Okay, here let's add a method of setting a callback. Callback, pass the callback, then let's go back to main activity, and here let's call the on set callback method, and let's add a toast here inside the on action click method. Pass the context, then pass the name, duration of short, and I think it's okay, and let's try it. Okay, now our app is ready. Let's try. Okay, it's working, and let's try to click the close. Okay, click it again, and click the action button if it is working. Yes, and it is working, but our full screen did not close, so let's fix it. Let's copy this dismiss to the action button, and let's try it again. Okay, now our app is ready. Let's try and click the action button. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, and have a productive day.